Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdul Zafri bin Muhammad Daha, and my metric number is A23CS0120. And today I'm gonna do a video presentations for our group project report, which is nethub.com. Okay, for the first, which is the contributions, for task one contributions, my contributions is making a plan for general purpose lab and video conferencing room floor plan. You can see at the left side, it is a video conferencing room, the new version, and at the right side is the older version, which is for the general purpose lab. For the others group members, for others group member contributions, for task one, Aiman making a hybrid classroom, Fakrul making a general purpose lab, student lunch and packet tracer, and Rifki creating a video conferencing room and Cisco network lab and embedded lab. You can see picture at the right side, it is the first floor for our floor plan, and at the left side is the ground floor. For task 2, my contributions is making participate in interview and creating interview questions, and also writing a feasibility studies. You can see at the picture at the left side, there is our interviewer. And for the task 2, for others group member contributions, I might participate in the interview and also write interview questions. And Fakul also participate in the interview and writing the questions, but also participate in the research answer for the possible interview questions. And for Rifki, participate in the interview and also making the interview questions. You can see picture at the right side, and below is our questions for the interviewee. And for the task 3, my contributions is making a research for a suitable equipment for the video conferencing room. I choose which monitor is suitable and which webcam monitor is suitable. And for the task 3, others contributions, I mind making a research equipment, device count and calculation for our budget. Fakul making a research for the equipment. AFK also participate in the research equipment and also making a list for network equipment. And for task 4, my contributions is making a sketch the device arrangement, describe the type of cable used, and also calculate the length of cable used for the hybrid classroom and the student lunch. You can see at the left side at the top, which is the student lunch network plan for the Cisco packet tracer, and the below is the physical layout. Same with the right side, which is for the hybrid classroom. For task 4, others contributions, Aiman, same with me, but the calculations is also is for the video conferencing room and student lunch. Same with Fakul, it is for general purpose lab 1 and 2. Same with Rifki, it is for the Cisco network lab and embedded lab. And for the task 5, my contributions is a calculation for the IP address for the hybrid classroom and the student lunch. You can see at the top, there is a calculation for the network address and broadcast address for the student lunch. And at the below, which is the calculations IP address for the hybrid classroom, the network address and the broadcast address is also already been stated. For the task 5, same with for others contributions, which is same with me, just for the calculation for Aiman, calculations for the IP address for video conferencing room and student lunch, Fakul for general purpose lab 1 and 2, IFQ for the Cisco network lab and embedded lab. Let's proceed with the reflections and explaining how you work as a group. Okay, we work as a group where where the task is divide and be distributed fairly, so there wasn't any free rider. And also, if there was any problem, which is any confusions arise, we can also just chat it in the group WhatsApp group. You can see at the right side, the nethub.com, which is that is our group WhatsApp, and also all the updates about the task have already been sent in the group, so others member can you can check if there is anything wrong or anything that can be improved. And what I have learned from working as a group, I learned how to make a very good communication skills, how to communicate well, and how to work as a group. Where about the meetings, how to write the minute meetings, and what I have learned from this project, I learned how to use the packet tracer. I learned how to do flow layout using a eDraw. I can improve my communication skills. And my suggestion about this project is that this project, I hope it can be continued as it is giving us the possible experience for the network architecture. And reflections on every task. For task one, I gain how to make a flow layout, and for the task two, I gain a new uh, knowledge about the possible requirement for from the user, and for the task three, I gain new informations for the hardware specifications, and the task four, I learn how to make a device arrangement, the type of connection used, and for the task five, I learned how to make a calculation for the IP address, which is very helpful and interesting. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you.